Tunaba our headquarters. Obaya, good morning. Person US Obaya Amponsa Frimpong. You know any and come on. And then only the first person our Tunaba our headquarters. Obaya, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Dero.
Patona, who to say you? Yeah, the Yankupon say. Yeah, the Yankupon say. And I pay at say only first person I would to about our NPP headquarters.
No pressure. Let's say I'm much here for and I should for and I no pay. And no pay. Yeah, you know, you be a postman.
See, when your first time I would to about in such an election, previous ones anyway, no, what difference they saying?
No difference. Yeah, the same thing. And so, and to say anything, you know, who could do what? I'll be the parameters of the voting area. Na ya check you our door nano. I'm the sure say ampa otu abanibi and sanya ma kwam wonzom. Into the process in the same so to na election tell you to aban. Na said ya see to the party you know. And you victim time dia you dada na to aso.
Okay, and pay many a secretary Ohio Eddie Enkomo. Na osi wentimi ama BBC ne kwanti wentimi ama yenim se mo diaspora for mo petition na mo de buy no na efa proxy ho
Ohio secretary ben
John Bat Ado.
Oh, John Bat Ado, yeah.
Okay. Me ne din komano pay no osi BBC ne kwanti wentimi ama and I say wentimi ama next wentimi anto aba but previously no anka proxy nti anko betimi akaso me chairperson badia anko onyina on to mame and na man say you say no na ye problem kase ba ko a sosoja ya nya ntuma ma fanye ofo say ahamo woda ma mu feed us baba na hama wo kwan bi so
yo me no that say and say hardne as a party nen come my end diaspora anko because say ya nya yin so okay de kana and diaspora kwa ni use to plug the kase. And then therefore we use from the cafe. Because the last program, you know, for a program was 78 out of 324 voters. And then 78 a year program.
Okay.
And so any video of it matter it's abuse. And happen so you can't work when you're so bit about Obaba can laba. Matiana and Trebbe, and neck cannon. She can now, the family chat because after all, you come any ever. Your bouncer was your for her. You buy a other things here, it would be a junior daddy. No, I do not call out. In fact, remember Baku. O trying to keep the do Ghana. They do not recalling for South Quebec was near Twaba.
I see.
Want to me radio 95.
Went near Twaba. And the you incorporate be a professors almost year, beginning of the year, school, Caladia school, and say, and the that days of the judge, I say, over. Do a business, some, so many other factors. And do a quite so much metric and so you must still my come out to me. And the Sasha Shayana, Madame, you to say. In the wisdom of the crafters of our constitution, and CIA in the Tuyabana. Almost in here, say, we have people that can be vulnerable at some point. I about Twaba. And in the infant, taking to infant woman in the event to say, I want to me ma. Not some nana up our bomb who bind. As a party, you useful. It is a useful, not even general elections in Ghana, crying useful. Election of 211,000 people. You be a Hunoguna near them, she say, from your people. Yet, say, yes, you want to now see a pen in the name Sibre. You pay an alternative by the best people say. Yeah, from the name of say, yeah. External branches. Yeah, can it class? That is propose that other alternatives and my committee say, or one share this my alternative die and share. Because the idea means and the idea what high, and so I see a job. For me, I think it is the most unwise decision we can ever make as a party. Party, no, I know. Going forward, because what you say election way, I think say election way they do and die. It is a democratic exercise. Yeah. And it is my work for yet say when the sex is so high and so or say we are telling ourselves to say we lack incompetence to want to run an election at 211,000 pets.
A very unfortunate.
In fact, USA, your delegate count was 62 people, and out of the 62, 2 weeks ago, you remember back to then my number no class what's here by 61, but the old register currently there is 62, and about soon. But with the 62, they actually buy about I think 32 or a little over 32, and it will buy. So we are talking about 18 or so people for one reason or the other. I'm on the two.
Wow.
And a more room, but party no. So they say I national officers election. Now say say now you be proxy. Do you think you've been fair to the president?
I know the almost the bad day move be the Beko court. Because
because it should be there. Unless we have an alternative by the other replacing. Yeah, America team. Say so much say. You election, you better disenfranchise will be in any way, shape, or form. And you know, if you are early voting, I say okay, you better ban in October. Yes, okay, middle of around August, September, yes, my you are better quite be doing that too about in November, no. You're about quite early voting. And early voting qua or mail-in ballot. And the ballot you nearly brown will fear. Now what's now table what shady or my pastor tomorrow ballot boxes are BCC vantage points, BCC post office areas, Oko City building, BCC now they're quite. Because I say process no and disenfranchising on your BBA, a better consider amount. So they put all these measures in place to protect you. It's a 1 2 and that one why I just want to 1 2. Then mom yes and answer the process no and you didn't cross the share on the you no. And that is what democratic process should be about. But all you did a suppressive vote, not disenfranchising Obia. It's not right.
It's not right.
Provide the avenue for the person to make a decision and to an answer. And because of that, would your suppressing or be vote?
It's not
right.
It's
not right. I will speak on this issue and continue to speak on it because going forward, young party but take it decision, bunny this voters. No, because of or your delegate has earned that right to be on the voter register, or your national officer, or your executive branch officer, or your constituency officer, or your polling station officer. Was some party and a party and this a man is to be. No, I know you want someone to process. More than the process. Now, I'm not quite more beyond to be out in the all harder than your year. excuse me, so I'm banner. Laughable. Laughable. Am I incompetent?
Yeah.
That's how for me it feels like. So we are so incompetent to say, you're not so no, you see one as we get by election. Since one was yeah, as we jam since when? 2014, it will be Proxy happened. We didn't see 2023 Proxy happened here. We didn't see. And then away there.
Mutimi enu film
above and beyond.
Sani okay no anya sia wi na going forward no ye nyina behwe sesade wi ye betimi asia no but okọ hwe ne a ekoso wo manimu a ene election said ya okay kukuru ho yi a obedu Ghana wose abato yi koso yi a obetimi akase so far so good ana.
Oh, so far so good. And the America say the process has been transparent. They also and it's not different from what has been done in the past. It is not different from what has been done in the past in terms of the process now. Maybe few things been on the basis in the past. But the beard the not I will say the officer at the end of the post, you know, counting so challenge the arma, na the cost. Come.
Okay. All right, Madam Chair, Badasi, Bibiania, Ebesa baby. All right, Tabusanti Obaya.
That he was helping Mahama, but he made them to believe that he wanted them to win the election. So he was supporting them, he was doing all these things, but underground, he's helping Mahama.
Okay.
And he made Aliko to give donation to Mahama.
Okay.
And then eventually, when Aliko saw that, because he was even discussing, he was surprised. How can you sit him?
But what you Aliko ha Dangote common yedi. Dangote wants a again.
President undermine his vice president.
Aliko Dangote.
You understand? Mm-hmm. So, he told Senator Idris that, but this Mahama, this Nana is like, he doesn't want Baumia to win the elections. I told Senator Idris, no, maybe it was before. But now he's even campaigning. You remember he even told you that?
Yes.
But yesterday he told Mohammed, he said he made him to give donation to Bahama, which he gave. And eventually he sent another donation of $1 million only to Baumia.
My brother, welcome. If you hear Alinko here, the Alinko they are talking here about here is Dangote. Let's establish that fact. That is how they call Dangote. They call him with his first name. Mm-hmm.
But he made them to believe that he was.
Let me start.
Do you know what President Nana told Aliko?
No.
President Nana told Aliko that he doesn't want Baumia to win the election.
Okay.
That he was helping Mahama, but he made them to believe that he wanted them to win the election. So he was supporting them, he was doing all these things, but underground, he's helping Mahama.
Okay.
And he made Aliko to give donation to Mahama.
Okay.
And then eventually, when Aliko saw that, because he was even discussing, he was surprised. How can a sitting president undermine his vice president? You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, he told Senator Idris that, but this Mahama, this Nana is like, he doesn't want Baumia to win the elections. I told Senator Idris, no, maybe it was before. But now he's even campaigning. You remember he even told you that?
Yes.
But yesterday he told Mohammed, he said he made him to give donation to Bahama, which he gave. And eventually he sent another donation of $1 million only to Baumia. So, but he didn't tell Mohammed who took the $1 million to Baumia. But Mohammed said today that he will gently and smartly press him so that he should tell him who conveyed the $1 million, so that he will tell you. Because if $1 million has eventually gotten to Baumia, in fact, it was even Aliko that said it. He said, if he has gotten $1 million, at least he will have given Princess Nana something now.
They use his name to chop money.
I said no, but she has to know the person that took the money to Baumia so that she could confront Baumia.
Because my brother, I confronted Baumia, and Baumia said that he has not received any money.
Okay, Aliko said that.
You see this audio? That's what I said. I'm not going to play blame games now. Morning. May I tell you something?
Anytime you are in Nigeria, Mohammed should.
An elder in the NPP called me and said, "Oh, the money there. Gabi Musma, I would say, Gabi Musma, I am your cogini, they fear trust. Then, me, if money can silence me, and Kamajisika come and want me. I've said it, I'm saying it again. Me, the one who took care of me is Alhaji Aliu Mahama. The late father of Honorable Farouk Aliu Mahama, former MP of Yendi. Me and that boy, we grew up in the same house. We went to the same school. That's my father's friend. When it was Alhaji, it was when it was his turn.